Today I collected Chitti some nature salad, and I also provide nice scavenger hunt. No stems there, dandy leaf here, more dandy leaf over there, some on there, and dandelion crown thing there. Aw, Chitti, what? Oh, Chitti has to find. Or just eat some grass. Oh wait, Chitti found a leaf. That's nice, Chitti. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Oop, yep. Don't worry, needn't touch Chitti. Ah, Chitti. Hey, what'd you grab? Bunch of dandies from the bottom? From the bottom of the bowl? Aw, look at you, Chitti. Have a nice, late lunch of nature. Yeah, but there's a dandy flower crown right there. Ah, Chitti. Hello. Yeah, Chitti was waiting, like, near the kitchen, but, like, still in this room, but, like, you know, that area. Chitti was waiting for the nature. Aw. She was watching and waiting. Aw, Chitti. Were you watching and waiting, little Fluffy? That was nice. Yep, the stems are all there from the dandelions. Yeah, a mixture of grass, some dandelion leaves, some dandelion stems, a few apple leaves. Oh, what do you like? Those you like, baby? Ooh. Click. Yeah, it's pretty hot outside. And it might start raining. The clouds came in. Might be a rainbow. That'd be cool. What, Chitti, what? What, little Chitti, what?